Ready to level up your trading game? Let's decode Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands are a popular tool for measuring market volatility and spotting trading opportunities. Developed by John Bollinger in the 80s, these bands consist of three lines: the middle band, an SMA of the price, and the upper and lower bands, two standard deviations away from the middle. Setting them up is a breeze. Just choose the Bollinger Bands indicator on your trading platform. When the price touches the upper band, it's often overbought, a potential sell signal. Touch the lower band and it's oversold, a potential buy signal. Watch out for the band squeeze. Low volatility can lead to significant price moves. In contrast, band expansion signals high volatility, often continuing the trend. Master the Bollinger Bounce by buying near the lower band and selling near the upper. Or exploit the Bollinger Band squeeze, waiting for breakouts to make your move. Combine Bollinger Bands with RSI or MACD for even better results. Happy trading!